In the previous video, you learned how to customize customer information in the Basic tab when adding a new customer on Blixo. So, in this video, we will guide you through the Address tab, which lets you customize your customer's address in a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, click on Add Customer to go to the customer information screen, then click on the Address tab. In this optional tab, you will see these fields: Attention to Phone, Address 1, Address 2, Country, City, State, or Province, Zip Code or Postal Code. Attention to is where you can input your customer's attention information. You can only input a maximum of 30 characters. Next is the phone number field. It is where you can input your customer's phone number, and you can input several phone numbers as long as they are not the same. Address 1 and Address 2 are where you can input your customer's address. Usually, we should input the customer's address in the Address 1 field, and Address 2 is an additional field in case your customer has more than one address. You can customize your customer's country in the Country field and so on with City, State, or Province, Zip Code, or Postal Code fields. Blixo supports all countries around the world, so you can support customers from any country. Now, I will make a sample and you can see it from the end user's perspective. Success. I will go to the customer information screen to view those fields. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Want to take your business to the next level? Blixo can help. With our platform, you can grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting. Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.